Hey guys, welcome to our new listing at 5317 South Greensferry Road in Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. We are up in Cougar Gulch, which is one of the most coveted areas in Coeur d'Alene. It is extremely beautiful, as you can see behind me. We're about a 15 to 20 minute drive from downtown Coeur d'Alene itself, and 10 minutes to Post Falls, which is a prime location really for North Idaho here. You have access to both of those towns fairly close, excellent amenities, and when you're up here it feels like you are out in the middle of nowhere, and that's the best feeling because I know there are a lot of people out there looking for that. So Greensferry Road is just around that corner on the driveway. This is a private driveway. It's not very long, so it is very manageable to do your own plowing and things like that. Another great feature of this property is there is a year-round creek right at the bottom of this hill, and you can always hear the water running, which is kind of a nice peaceful sound as you're sitting on your front porch and enjoying your time out here. All right, so the home itself is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's about 1,400 square feet, and it sits on 6 acres up here in Cougar Gulch. It is super clean inside and out. Don't mind the plastic. The current homeowner is using that to protect the front door and the other door from wind. That is not always there, and it does not mean anything is leaking. This house has a brand new roof, a brand new well. The interior is in excellent condition, as I mentioned. And one of the best features, I think, is that they have temporarily, so you could remove this, split off a separate 1-bed and 1-bath that they rent out to traveling nurses. So they're renting that out currently for $1,500 a month, and there are no tenants in it right now, but that is an excellent option if you don't need all that space and you're looking to make a little bit of rental income from this home. All right, we're in the main living area of this home, and you can see it's got a super cozy brand new fireplace right here. This room is very warm, even though it's 0 degrees outside. That space right there, that door, is the access to the ADU. So if you wanted to open that up, it just opens up behind there, and then you have the full 3-bed, 2-bath. Then we have the kitchen, dining room, bedroom that way, laundry room that way as well. All right, we're here in the accessory dwelling unit that is part of this home here. It was temporarily separated by the homeowner, and that temporary wall is very easy to remove, so you could open this back up into the full 3-bed, 2-bath home that it is. But I just wanted to highlight this area. It's got a small kitchenette, there's a full bathroom back there, and then a single bedroom, and we are in the living area for that ADU right now. All of the sheds and carports that you see behind me today are staying with the property. So you've got tons of dry space for storage, room for 2 cars under this carport, and perhaps one of my favorite features for outside, if you would pan this way. Every home in North Idaho needs a gun range, and this one happens to have one. So if you look up the hill right there, you've got a clear range so you can do shooting on your own property, which is allowed here in Kootenai County, one of the many benefits of living in North Idaho.